Discover the untold history of Somalia. Imagine a place where the air once carried the scent of frankincense and spices, traded across continents. Somalia was the heart of an ancient trade network, connecting the Arabian Peninsula, East Africa, and Asia. A land where oceans converged, it was a thriving crossroads of culture and commerce. Step back to the golden era of the Ajuran and Adal Sultanates, where Somalia's influence stretched far and wide. These powerful empires built advanced cities, established trade routes, and left behind a legacy of resilience, unity, and innovation. This is history worth exploring and imagining walking in their footsteps. The rich heritage of Somalia was profoundly tested during colonial rule. Torn between Italy, Britain, and France in the 19th and 20th centuries, it became a story of survival, resistance, and cultural pride. Even through division, Somalia's enduring spirit shaped its national identity. Somalia isn't just history, it's living heritage. From its stunning coastline to its vibrant traditions, this nation continues to inspire adventurous souls. Every story, every landmark invites you to connect with a place where the past meets the present in stunning harmony. Somalia is waiting to share its story with travelers like you. Discover its history, explore its beauty, and connect with its people. Like, share, and plan your journey today, because adventure awaits in the Horn of Africa.